Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant and Certified Coach, and I have something that will definitely make a difference in your life within the first 30 days of joining. I know if you're listening to this podcast, you're someone who makes big decisions and solves hard problems, and I have a resource that I'm excited to share with you. If today's topic about what your life could look like in a year resonates with you, I'd love for you to join me in the Reinvention Process private coaching program. This is your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more integrated and balanced lifestyle again. And you can join today for just $297 a month. Email info@financialadventure.com and I'll personally answer any questions that you have, and I'll send you all the details. Today, I want to ask you a question. What if your next 12 months looked different? Most people underestimate what's possible when they start leading themselves differently. So what do you want your life to look like 12 months from now? Not your next deadline, not your next project, not your next busy season, your life. What would be different? Would you feel less stressed? Would you have stronger relationships? Would you be more confident? Would you have better boundaries? Would you be making decisions faster? Would you be spending more time on the things that matter most to you? Most people can answer those questions pretty quickly. The challenge isn't knowing what they want. The challenge is believing that it's possible. After years of working with accountants and high-stress professionals, I've noticed something really interesting. Many of those people have become experts at managing responsibilities, but they've stopped dreaming about what's possible. They've become so focused on getting through today that they haven't spent much time creating tomorrow. And I understand why. Life gets busy. Work gets demanding. Responsibilities pile up. But if we're not careful, years go by and nothing really changes. We keep waiting for life to improve on its own. Yet meaningful change rarely happens by accident. It happens when we intentionally decide to create it. That's one of the reasons that I love coaching and supporting accountants and high-stress professionals just like you. Not because coaching makes life perfect, but because it helps people become intentional about the future they're creating. I've watched clients make decisions that they had been delaying for years, improve relationships that had become strained, create healthier boundaries, reduce overwhelm, pursue goals they thought were no longer possible, and build lives that feel more aligned with who they want to become. Not because they changed everything overnight, but because they started making small, intentional changes consistently. That's what the Reinvention Process private coaching program is designed to help you do. Not just solve problems, but to create a future that you're excited about. The Reinvention Process private coaching program includes 2 private 30-minute coaching sessions each month, personalized email support between those sessions, and coaching and support focused on helping you align your actions with your priorities and create a life that you're excited to live. And right now, the investment to start reinventing your future is $297 a month. If this sounds like something you'd like support with, simply email me at info@financialadventure.com, let me know that you're ready to get started, and I'll personally send you all the details and answer any questions that you have. 1 year from now is coming, whether you make intentional changes or not. The question is, what do you want to be different when it arrives? If you're ready to start creating that future and learn how the Reinvention Process private coaching program can help you, email me at info@financialadventure.com and I'll answer any questions you have and send you all the details. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.